tere, kallis Šõhei, kaasõpilased ja õpetajad.
47. lennu gümnaasiumitee on olnud laineline. Kultuurireisid Narva, Viljandisse ja Pärnusse.
Meie loodusmatkad Soomaale ja Aidu karjääri.
Reisid Soome ja Iirimaale.
Meie kultuuri- ja keelereisid Berliini ja Viini ja lõpureis ka Kretale, kui meid just ära ei pommitada.
10. klassis tegime kihlveo, kelle suunast hakkavad inimesed esimesena välja kukkuma.
KM kaotas, as per usual.
Mis teie see aasta lõpusõtt olete teinud?
Me tegime teile 40 punktiga Eesti ajaloo viktoriinis ära.
Kohe näha, kelle suund on parem.
Aga nagu imagine, et teie klass saab aulakeelu.
Selles on sul kahjuks õigus.
Sellegipoolest, jättes rivaali kõrvale, me oleme väga tänulik kõikidele, kes meiega selle teekonna on olnud.
Pange oma mobiiltelefonid hääletule, sest algab 47. lennu viimane playback.
I'm a baseline junkie, and I like it funky. Girl, not yet. I got a shot. I let you, but I let you out. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Oh.
I'll take you to the candy shop. One more taste of what I got. I have you spending all you got. Keep going till you hit the spot. Oh.
Ma ei hakka vaatama, mu riimid liiga tulised, ole sina vait, sa liiga palju mulised.
She said, hello, hey Joe, you wanna give it a go? Get you, yeah, yeah, sometimes. Get you, yeah, yeah, Mocha chocolate, yeah, yeah. Pretty lady, more.
Rahvas, residents.
My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
Boy, toy named Troy used to live in Detroit. Big dope, selling money, he was getting some coins. Was the shootouts with the law, but he lived in a palace. Bought me Alexander McQueen, he was keeping me stylish. Now that's real. Gun in my purse, bitch, I came just to kill. Who wanna go first? I had him pushing, got the deals. I'm high as hell, I only took a half a pill. I'm on some dumb shit. By the way, what he say? He can tell I ain't missing no meals. Come through and fuck him in my automobile, and I'm eating with his grills. Keep telling me to chill, he keep telling me it's real that he love my sex appeal. He said he don't like a bully, he wants something he can grab. So I pull up in a jag and I hit him with a jab like dun 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 dun.
My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
Käes kinni, kui ei hoia.